Hi guys, today in this video I'm about to show you guys how to fix Gmail cannot be used on this verification. So yeah, let's start video. So first of how you can do it, you can just open up your Gmail, and after this you can go your verification process and put your number like this. So after putting number you can tap on next, and after you can see error like this phone number cannot be used for this verification. So now what you need to do, you need to just tap on country code and correct your country code. So after change country code, you tap on next. So this problem will be fixed. Or one way, second way is this, so you can change your mobile number. After this you can tap on next. So I hope this problem will be fixed now. So yeah, that's it guys, see you in the next video, bye.